Did you know that it is 25 times much more expensive to attract new visitors than to sell to existing ones? Don't leave money on the table for every sale you make. Buy a better way of growing your revenue. Upsell and cross-sell your products to the right customers. Let's say you're selling sports products. After customers added a pair of shoes to their cart, you can suggest them to buy a pair of socks as well. Yes, only one simple step, and you've just made extra money from this customer. Or if you have 3 products that are perfectly matched with each other, sell them in a combo to boost your order value. Boost Sales app also provides a variety of highly converted designs and features to increase your revenue. Not sure which products should be sold together? No worries. Leveraging big data and machine learning, Boost Sales app can personalize product recommendations to targeted visitors based on their interest and your sales history, which boosts your sales automatically without having to set up anything. By turning on smart upsell and cross-sell, you can increase your revenue by up to 25 times. Make more money while you have more time to enjoy your happy life and explore the world. Trusted by more than 40,000 e-commerce brands all over the world, Boost Sales app won't ever let you down. Love this app so much. Boost my sales by 46% right in the free trial. Since installing, our average order size has nearly doubled. Try it for yourself today and get ready to skyrocket your sales. Beaconning. Empower e-commerce brands to launch, grow, and succeed.